Namaste. Welcome to this week's pose tutorial, seated Garland pose. This pose is excellent to come into the center of your body, the base of your body, the root chakra. And it is an opportunity to allow your body to naturally release any holding or tension in your lower pelvis, your glutes, your hips, essentially the root chakra. So come to a comfortable seat with me. And take your legs out to either side here. So your legs are in a V. Forearms come to the inner thighs. You're leaning forward. You're also welcome to do this on the floor, and I'll show you that in a moment. But starting here, this is very accessible. It's a great way to begin to work with the muscles in the pelvic bowl that support the root chakra. And you might experiment with inhaling down deep into your belly, imagining a small flame, a circle of white light between your belly button and the base of your pelvic floor. As you inhale, imagine that ball of light growing larger. And with each exhale, imagine that light drawing in and up into your chest, into your heart space. Inhale. Bring the light down into your belly. And exhale. Engage lower belly in and up as you bring that light up to your heart. Repeating this as long as you feel you would like to. And when you're ready, release the breath, coming back into the pose. Maybe even taking your forearms between your knees, pressing your knees into your inner thighs, into your arms into your knees. I have my hands together in Anjali Mudra. Anjali Mudra, heart center. Hands together. Prayer. And when you're ready, inhale, squeeze your belly in and up, and slowly bring yourself up. Pausing here for a moment to allow your body to come back into center. If you've enjoyed this pose tutorial, I invite you to share, like, and subscribe so that you can keep up with these tutorials and other content that I'm creating within this yoga space. I'm Dawn. I am a heart-centered chair yoga teacher who is passionate to create a community, a safe community for caregivers to find community, to break isolation, and to find guilt-free moments of rest. Be well. I will see you all next time.